I feel I should come and do a sincere review of this Lavalier microphone. Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Welcome to Luchi's Corner. If you have been supporting me watching my video, I'm very grateful. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing unboxing, and this is actually my first unboxing in this YouTube channel. Yes, even though it's an item that is very simple, but I feel I should come and do a sincere review of this Lavalier microphone. I've gotten this microphone since February and I've not used it because I just want to do an honest unboxing and review of this particular mic. And a backstory how I got this mic: around February I posted one of the vlogs I did when I traveled to my parents' house, and my friend Bibi, please go check her up. The name of her channel is Bibi. I'm going to put it anywhere, either here. Oh yeah, I don't know. So the name of her channel is Bibi. Please go subscribe to her channel. She's also a content creator staying in UK with her husband and her handsome baby. So she does a lot of motherhood stuff, life in UK, inspo, unboxing, review, a whole lot. So you're going to love her. She's very beautiful, and you know, if you love luxury life, touched life, please check her channel. She was like, don't you have a microphone? I said, not yet. She said I should get one because that particular video I posted that made her ask me that question, the background was noisy, it was a vlog. So she was like, I should get a microphone, and she went ahead to browse. She sent me a Jumia microphone. I think it was K8, either K8 or K9 that she sent to me, and immediately she sent me money that I should go and get it. So I've gotten this microphone since then, but I've posted few videos after getting this microphone, but because I've not done, like I said, I wanted to do a quick and sincere review and unboxing. I've not used it, even though I've opened it. I wouldn't lie, I've opened it this way, but I have not used it for anything. So I would be unboxing it. I'll be testing it with you guys to know if this is really what you want to buy, or is it a waste of money. I think this is one of the cheapest microphones you are going to be seeing outside there. Content creation is something that almost everybody wants to venture into, especially since Nigerian have been monetized on Facebook, or Nigeria has been made eligible to be monetized on Facebook. So a lot of people are going into content creation, and if you're really thinking of what to buy, I think this should be a good buy. But like I said, I've not tested it, I've not used it, but let's just see how it works. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This is wireless Lavalier microphone. That is the name. Let me bring it closer. Wireless Lavalier microphone. Like I said, I've opened it before, but I've not used it. I've not gone through it, but look at how it looks. So I think this is a cord that comes with it. Let me check it, because I'm seeing a cord, I'm seeing the diagram. So basically it's a cord. This is a cord that comes with it. So this is a cord, so it does not come with a charger, so you basically have to add it, that is, charge it with power bank, or you charge it with your phone head. So that is for this, and this is it. I think this is a transmitter, that is a microphone itself, and then this is receiver. So some of this is, they have two receivers, I think, because there is one they call double wireless Lavalier microphone, but this is single one, and this is for iPhone because what I'm using is iPhones. And then they have Type C, and they have for Android too. Oh, it came with a manual. It came with a manual. I didn't even know. The manual said wireless microphone user manual. It has intro. Let me show you guys. This is introduction, ID diagram. I'm not seeing this. How to use it. So these are, let's go quickly to how to use it. So the step one, how to use it. Say Okay, this is the diagram, ID diagram. Basically, I'm correct. This is microphone transmitter. At least my normal knowledge, I know that this one is transmitter and this is receiver. So, and this is the receiver. All right, this is receiver. And how to use it? They say step 1, connect the receiver to your phone with a port. So this is a port. This is a port. You connect it to your phone, and they download notes, OPPO, Vivo, IQ, Rhyme brand mobile phones can be used normally only when they go to the setting. You search for OTG, turn on OTG phone supply. You are going to see. So if you have any of those phones, so you have to go to the setting and turn up the OTG supply. That is what, I don't know if this is really showing. So that is it. They say step 2, press switch key of the microphone. The indicator light turns green and then power is turned on. Okay, this is a switch key. Let me come closer. Okay, yeah, this is it. So we should press it. The green light comes on. Then the step 3 says the indicator light of the receiver keeps always on. Then open the phone camera, leave app or other apps, and then to use the microphone to receive. For the use of ports, there is no battery in receiver and no need to recharge during live if the phone is low power during live. So you can charge this thing. Let's just test it. I don't know. They are speaking plenty grammar and so go. Let's just test it and see how it looks, how if it works actually, and if you can actually detect anything any different from my voice. So I am using my phone currently to film. That is what I'm using to film. So I'm going to put it. Okay, let me put it on first. I don't know if I should turn off the camera and start again afresh. I don't know, but let me just turn this thing on. Yes, this is the green light. You can see it's blinking red and green. I just pressed this place. So let me put this port. This is the receiver. Like I said, let me put it in my phone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another interesting video. We are doing a quick unboxing of this wireless Lavalier microphone. Let's see whether it's going to work or not. So you are going to check my voice after this video and how my voice was from the beginning of this video to know if there is any difference or not. What do you think about the mic? This is me now trying to round up the video without using the microphone. So what do you think about the mic? Do you think there is a difference? To me, I feel there is a difference. It made my voice more audible, but I don't think it's very powerful in terms of canceling background noise totally. To me, that is my own review. And if you're a content creator, a business, social media business seller, online seller, and you feel that you want something very affordable that you can use to improve your voice, to make your voice more audible, especially if you are selling or advertising in a very noisy environment, or you're doing vlog, this should be a good purchase because it actually enhanced my voice, it increased my voice. One thing I love about it is that you can move around with it. It's movable. You don't need to have wire, you don't need to have a big bag for it. You can just carry it provided you have charged it. Yes, and the manner is very simple. I don't need to press anything. I just put it. Then when you plug it, there is a green light for the receiver. There is a green light that shows here, so you make sure the green light is showing before you start filming your video. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you want to see something like this in my channel, please do well and subscribe to my channel. Actually, I got this for less than 15,000 naira. Yes, I got it for less than, I've not packed it, so those are empty cartons. I got it for less than 15,000 naira. Like I said, if you're an upcoming content creator, if you're an online vendor, you can actually get it and be using it. It's very movable. You can move it, you can, provided you have charged it, and it's very easy to move. You don't need a wire, a long wire or anything. So when you start upgrading, you can decide to buy more better microphones, but for me it's actually enhanced my voice. See you soon. Bye.